Hi everyone, this is a technical analysis on USDJPY. Let's start with a fundamental overview first. The USD rise stalled last week as the US government shutdown delayed many key US economic reports. The dollar repricing trade needs strong US data to keep going, especially on the labor market side, so any hiccup on that front is likely to keep weighing on the greenback. The market pricing is now back to 46 bps of easing by year end and 112 bps by the end of 2026. This could still be too dovish, but we will need strong data to reprice. In the absence of the government data, an October rate cut is now seen as a done deal. The reality is that an October cut was never really in question. It's a December cut that could be priced out in case the data strengthens. We still have 3 NFP and 2 CPI reports before the December meeting. On the JPY side, the victory of Takaichi over the weekend resulted in a big negative gap at the open for the yen, as traders priced in more expansion in fiscal policy and a delay to rate hikes from the BoJ. The ball is now in the central bank's court, as traders will be focused on BoJ's forward guidance. Now, on the daily chart, we can see that USD JPY gapped higher at the open and extended the rally into new highs. The natural target should be the resistance around the 150.51 handle here. That's where we can expect the sellers to step in with a fine risk above the 151.20 level to position for a drop back into this major trend line. The buyers, on the other hand, will want to see the price breaking higher to increase the bullish bets into the 154.80 level next. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that we have two support zones, a minor one around the 150 handle and a major one around the 148.50 level. The buyers will likely lean on those supports to keep pushing into new highs, while the sellers will look for downside breaks to target new lows. On the 1-hour chart, we can see more clearly the recent price action. There's not much else we can add here, as the sellers will likely step in around the 151.20 area, while the buyers will look for a breakout to target new highs. These red lines define the average daily range for today. For the upcoming catalysts, tomorrow we get the Japanese wage data. On Thursday, we have the Fed Chair Powell speaking and the US jobless claims figures if the US government shutdown is lifted. And on Friday, we conclude the week with the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report.